be...
Whether you understand a thing or not,
Yes.
what is of prime importance is doing the duty.
Okay. Yes.
Many times we don't understand.
Yeah, that's the difficulty I find here also. Very difficult to understand, yeah.
Many times I don't understand why I should go out and teach others,
Yeah.
but I have to do my duty.
Yes.
So duty is very important, and she has done her duty.
Yes. Correct.
She didn't understand me,
Yes.
but she has done her duty.
Duty.
I also have not understood meditation, what is meditation so far, but I have done my duty. I have not understood the whole of spirituality, but I am doing my duty. My duty is different from my understanding.
Okay.
Everybody has to do their duty. Chandu has to do his duty.
Yes.
Nanda has to do his duty. The eye has to do its duty.
Yes.
The ear has to do its duty. Lifelong. You can't change your duty. The eye does not understand about eye itself,
Yes.
but it does its duty perfectly.
Yes.
So, Pandavas, the brothers of Yudhishthira, didn't understand Yudhishthira, but they were going by their elder brother. They felt it is duty. You always feel your duty. Whether you are ignorant or innocent or enlightened or not, you always know your duty. And when you do your duty, your life is successful.
Wow.
It was difficult for her to speak in front of the mic, in front of the camera, but she has taken it upon as a duty and completed 100 episodes.
Really.
And she is again ready for one more series also, as her duty. See, everybody has a duty. As a senior meditator, she has a duty to perform.
Yes.
If I know music, it is my duty to play the flute. So the word duty is very, very important.
Yeah.
So on this occasion of the 100th episode, I would like to speak on duty.
Beautiful. Thank you.
PSSM is doing its duty. What is its duty? To create Dhyana Jagat, to create Pyramid Jagat, to create Ahimsa Jagat, to create Vegetarian Jagat. That is the duty. Very beautiful word, duty. When you are going in a bus, you are having your seat, but an old man comes in, immediately you get up. Against your will. You don't want to get up, you are very tired. You want the seat, but an older man is there.
Immediately.
So what do? You perform your duty. You just simply get up and give the seat to the old man. A small blind man is crossing the road. So what do? You give a hand to that blind man. Isn't it? What is that making you do that?
Duty. Feeling of
Your consciousness of your duty. I have to do that. See, when I know about meditation, it is my duty to teach the whole meditation. When I am enlightened, when I know that I am enlightened, it is my duty to spread enlightenment everywhere. Similarly, when she knows that she is enlightened, it is her duty to share her enlightenment to everybody. When I proposed Dhyanamrutam, when she accepted it with a few modifications, it shows her readiness to accept her duty immediately. Whether you are enlightened or not, whether you are knowledgeable or not, everybody has got a duty. Always you have to perform your duty. For this duty, I have given the word in Tulsi Dalam as Takshana Kartavyam. In this moment, in the bus, you have to get up and give the seat to others. And that moment, you have to give a hand to the blind fellow who is crossing the road. Every given moment has got a duty to be done. Chandu has to decorate the whole thing. Since morning, he is decorating the whole room with all these balloons. That is a duty. Everybody has got a duty. When you are duty conscious, you are enlightened. When Ganesh played violin, he performed his duty. When he created that Swarnamritam music, he was doing his duty. For me, enlightenment is sticking to our duty all the time. Duty is a common word for all the people, whether you are enlightened or not enlightened, whether you are educated or uneducated, whether you are a housewife or a prime minister of a country. Duty is there. For a housewife, there is a duty is there. She felt her duty for her children. I didn't feel any duty for my children. I felt only my duty for the whole of mankind. So duty is the most important word. Duty in this moment. What is that I have to do? When somebody is speaking, it is my duty to listen carefully. Not watch cricket on the TV, which I was doing. But Hyderabad won the match. After 3 losses, Hyderabad won the match today. So you can excuse me. If you want to increase your energy, you must always do your duty. Whether you like it or not, whether you are capable of it or not, whether you are aware of it or not, you must do your duty, whatever may be the duty. Duty is the most important thing in human life. It would enhance your energy.
Just
Right now you are enhancing your energy.
yes, sir.